Complimentary first year's maintenance. See dealer for details.
I believe it's,
Is that one oil change and tire rotation?
On new vehicles, it's your, it's like two,
Yeah,
it's like
that's-
two.
Well, yeah, on, that comes from Honda.
Okay, yeah, so for the
Yeah, but
motor
it's
trend, I
a-
think it's just one. It's
Yeah,
like
this
the-
is Motor Trend, so I'm thinking it's one tire rotation, one lube oil filter.
And I think it's like 12,000 miles. It's like 12,000 miles.
Okay. 72-hour exchange. What is that?
Typically,
imagine
we don't
so.
really have it. We really don't have it happen often. But I would assume it's like if you're unsatisfied with the vehicle, you can probably try to get another one. But I mean that with an exchange, I mean that way they can't just bring. You can't just bring it back. You can try to get.
It's not,
something
there's no
else.
refund involved.
Yeah, you can try to get something else, but
just exchanging it.
And I think it was 300 miles.
No, you can't put more than 300 miles on the odometer, additional miles on the odometer, and you need to bring it back in the same condition. It's designed to eliminate a fear that customers have, and that's the fear of getting stuck with the wrong vehicle. If I'm not sure it's the right vehicle, I'm not gonna say yes. I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna think about it, but then I'm gonna end up going and buying somewhere else. That's the way the real world works.
yeah.
But it's not an issue here, because I don't need to worry about getting stuck with the wrong vehicle, because I can bring it back and exchange it for another in the first 3 days, as long as I don't put more than 300 additional miles on the odometer. It's designed to eliminate the fear of getting stuck with the wrong vehicle, okay? This can be one of the more powerful parts of this program if you learn to present it correctly, and you will learn because I'm going to demonstrate it for you.